Hi everyone, my name is Jiggy and I'm a content creator here at BiteSized. Today, as part of our quick and easy meal prep, gagawa tayo ng deep-fried maya-maya na isi-season natin with this herb sauce that's packed with flavor. And also, best part is, prepare natin with this Chinese cucumber that's easy to make. So let's start with our deep-fried maya-maya with herb sauce. Tara na! Okay, para sa ating first procedure, mas maganda na mag-start tayo sa ating Chinese cucumber salad kasi it gets better as it rests longer. Kaya, with a rolling pin or with a pan, gagawin lang natin, kuha ka lang ng cucumber at i-smash. Okay, so na-smash na natin ang ating cucumbers, lalo na ang ating mga stress sa buhay. Ngayon, pwede na natin i-slice ang ating cucumber. Ngayon, pwede na natin i-transfer sa isang bowl. Nakalagay na ang ating cucumbers, pwede na natin lagay yung ibang ingredients tulad ng salt, brown sugar, rice vinegar, and our chili oil. Now we can mix. O yan, in 5 to 10 seconds nakagawa na tayo ng Chinese cucumber salad. Now, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, isa-set aside natin and we're gonna let it rest for a little bit longer kasi mas masarap pa siya habang tumatagal. Okay, para sa ating second procedure, gagawa tayo ng herb sauce. So, on medium-low heat, kuha tayo ng saucepan at lagay natin lahat ng aromatics natin. Tulad ng lemongrass, ginger, red chilies, green onions, and crushed garlic. Now, yung ating wet ingredients. Lagay natin ang ating soy sauce, fish sauce, rice vinegar, orange juice, calamansi juice. Now, to balance all the flavors, we're gonna add in brown sugar. Now, we give it a good mix. Okay, habang minimix natin, we're gonna let this infuse for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so pinakulo na natin for 10 to 15 minutes. Pwede na natin lagay sa bowl and set aside. Okay, para sa ating last procedure, pwede na natin i-deep fry ang ating maya-maya. So first, make sure na i-season natin ang ating isda with salt. Make sure that every crevice is covered. At i-cover natin with flour. Okay, ready na ang ating maya-maya for deep frying. So, make sure to deep fry for 5 to 6 minutes per side. Okay, so tapos na tayo mag-deep fry ng maya-maya. Pwede na natin i-cover sa sauce na ginawa natin kanina. So here you go guys, ito na ang ating deep-fried maya-maya with herb sauce. Tikman na natin. So for more fish recipes, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, BiteSized.ph. Tikman na natin. Perfectly cooked.